Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Lowe's. So let's dive in. All right, to get us started, we see some Ego deals right here. We have this option for the trimmer or the blower for $219. Again, Ego is one of the best brands, especially in the battery options here. Have another one for $249 for a little bit larger trimmer there. So again, Ego, great option. And then also the mower here for $449. So I know it's getting springtime where you guys live. So starting to cut the grass here. We got some lawn food here, a little turf builder. Get to save $7.50 on that one. We also have some weed and grass killer, down $10 for this one. Ortho Bug Be Gone, a little insect control, down $5. And then we also have the granulars here as well, down $5, down to $13.50. So again, you can grab some of these. Little weed feed fertilizer. So you can grab one of these here. You save a little bit again with the grass popping up everywhere. Blower here from Kobalt. Save about $20 on that one. A leaf blower kit. String trimmer kit, $159. Same thing. Could save a little bit. Keep going on that. These aren't for sale or on sale, excuse me. I just wanted to show you guys that my Lowe's is now covering a lot of these like automated lawnmowers. I'm going to try to do more reviews on these, but I have some. I'll have them linked down below, but now they're becoming more and more popular. Just want to keep you guys updated on those right there. I also have a little inverter here, clearance down to $92. And then we have the shearer, so you can check that one out, and the little scrub one as well. The cultivator here, little bare tool. Remember that one if you're getting started with the garden. Great little deal there. And then also the pruning shears, help save your forearms and your wrist there. They did have this cooler on sale there, so for any coach, great thing to pick up. Get saved about $5. Next up, we have some charcoal. We have some Kingsford here, and then also clearance on some of these as well. And just a reminder, I will have some links down below for some of the items that we have here on sale. You can check them out down there. And I also have a link for my newsletter where I send out the best deals going on right now. So you can jump in there, just shoot me your email, and I'll send you out all the best deals. We have some of these little fun buckets and also tubs. I've seen these on some other YouTube channels, just some fun stuff to collect. You can see here is what the bucket costs, about $2 to grab one of those Lowe's buckets, and you can have a medium to small bucket right there to kind of keep in your vehicle or just kind of do fun stuff like that with. They also had a lot of their clothing on sale, so you can grab some of their like winter clothes right now. Where I live, it has already been in the 80s the last few days, so definitely getting warmed up. But you can see some of these clothing, I mean, half price or even less. So you can grab some of those for the fall and into the winter there. And I wanted to show you guys some of these deals. Some of them are left over from previous months, but I did just kind of want to show you all these Klein deals are still available at my store right here. Then we have some Craftsman ratchet sets. These are pretty good sets. I've used them myself, and they are also usually on some type of deal or clearance. Let me know in the comments if you guys have ever grabbed some of these and how well they've worked for y'all. Like I said, I've used Craftsman wrench sets and ratchet sets a lot, and they have worked really well for me. So I think these are definitely a great pickup. Great thing to use every day, or even just, you know, have something at your house. So they have a bunch of different sets for these right here. Then we have some Kobalt deals. You can see this one, $79 for one of these tools, or $99 for one of these. So again, great thing to go ahead and pick up. And here is just the other, you know, set of that, just another picture of what you can grab. So pretty good deals on those. Depending on what you might need, you can grab some of those. And Kobalt's a great brand. It's Lowe's brand, so they'll do a good job for you. Then we have some Craftsman tools. Got the battery there. You also have the inverter, a little tire pump, sander, vacuum, and then the caulk gun as well. And then have some more deals. $70 for a drill. It's a great price for one, especially for Craftsman. They also have the large set here, the combo kit, 8 tools for $370. Down significant there. I mean, get saved $100, a really good price. Kobalt job site, radio, 99 bucks there. Good pickup for that one. We have the Skill table router, 150. So again, if you are in the shopping for one of those, great thing to check out. We have the DeWalt wet dry vac, 130 there. Also, Metabo had theirs free battery when you purchase a toolkit, and so they didn't have a ton of theirs, set out right here, but I did want to show you that. I know we still have some diehard Metabo fans, but you can see their toolkits right here. So again, you get the battery when you pick up one of these tools. Then we also have more drill bits, and again, not great things to go pick up, but in case you need some of those, you can find them there. And then another shop vac here for 80 bucks. Always great to grab one of those. Always needed a shop vac. 99 bucks here. Your choice again with Craftsman, whichever one you might need. And then we also have DeWalt as well for their setup, different shop vacs and different things right there for that. And then another setup right here with the free battery when you purchase one of these tools for DeWalt as well. So again, another setup for that. So whatever you might need, again, DeWalt has a bunch of different options for you. Probably the best option here for Lowe's, one of the top end brands. And then they also have the Bosch options right here. You can see the different deals, little bit sets and drive sets and stuff like that. I have seen kind of less and less of their Bosch items on sale, but they always have a few in there. But you can just check out some of these. Little jigsaw, bare tool, hippo hammer drill, and then a couple other options right there for Bosch. And then Metabo did have a lot of their nailers on sale, so you can see a bunch of these. Different ones, different kinds, whatever you might be interested in. You can see these and check them out. Again, Metabo does a good job with those nailers. Then also a little box right here, the cooler for Klein, 50 bucks. The miter saw, 350 there for DeWalt. Again, good pickup right there for DeWalt. A few more DeWalt combos. Little drill kit right there with the charger, $229. Again, depending on which one. The little combo kits as well. So another setup for some of these. Next, we have a few Metabo nailers here. You can see these roofing nailers. Pretty good prices on these. Again, depending on which one you might need. 49 bucks for that one's a really good deal. And we also have some air hoses here. Again, from Metabo. Another deal from Bosch. Little battery and charger pack for free when you get that tool free when you buy the charger and the battery. Metabo also has their little pancake compressor. You'd save about 50 bucks right there, so it's not too bad. DeWalt also has one as well, a little bit larger. Nice setup right there for DeWalt. Kobalt actually has their framing nailers on sale as well. $2.99 right there, and also $2.99 here for 30 degree. And I also saw some of these cases on sale. You can see some of these Craftsman like toolboxes. Great little thing to stack on or just be able to store your stuff in there. Again, these will be on pretty good discounts like around the holidays, but we're kind of the exact opposite of that time right now. So it's still a great time to grab some of these, save you a little bit of money, and then have some storage options as well. So you see some more right here for trade stack. But overall, I think there's some really good deals going on right now at your local Lowe's. Let me know in the comments what you guys plan on grabbing, and I'll have some links down there. And also remember to subscribe to the newsletter, and I'll shoot out the best deals going on that week every week. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.